What's a control account, guys? Now, totals of the sales ledger and the purchasers ledger, also the sales return, purchase returns, day book, all these totals are transferred to the general ledger into the receivables control account and the payables control account. Now guys, first of all, you should understand for the customers or the suppliers, we will be maintaining separate individual account for each and every customer and each and every supplier. But this control account is the aggregate total of all the customers or the aggregate total of all the suppliers. So it's just one account that represents all the customers or all the suppliers. Simple as that. So the sales ledger control account, in other words, it is a trade receivable account. Just rather than just a single trade receivable, it is an account that represents all the trade receivables in the business. So these have been transferred from the day books and created in the general ledger. Now guys, at the end of the day, since the individual accounts and the totals of all those individual accounts are technically the same thing, both of them should be equal. The totals in the control account should be equal to the addition of all the individual accounts. But guys, some scenarios it is not. And we will look into the ways of reconciling that shortly. Now, the individual accounts are prepared separately just for that individual, the sales he has done, or maybe a supply, the purchases that we have done from him, the returns, the amount received, etc., etc. And we will end up with the balance for that individual. So the aggregate total of all those balances should be the balance brought down in the control account as well. Now, we'll look into the format. So this is the format of a sales ledger control account and a purchase ledger control account, also known as receivables ledger control account or payables ledger control account. Now, isn't it exactly like a trade receivable and trade payable account? Yes, it is. The only thing students might get confused in this contra ends.